Oh god, this is crazy. Alright, go big or go home. Let me lock the fuck in. There we go! Yes, sir! Woo! Ooh, my nards. Dude, it's so big. That's what she said. Ooh! Oh my god! Woo! The DR is honestly doing a freaking sick job. For an enduro, this shit feels just like a dirt bike. Oh. Really? Alright. That woke me up. Dad? Is he okay? Where did Dad go? Dad? Is he okay? Dad? You okay? What happened? Alrighty, we out here on the DR650 today. Let me get my ass out the road before I get absolutely obliterated. What's up, dude? Let's take off. Today we're going to be going to Highland, which is like a local dirt bike park. Again, this is an enduro. Okay. This is a enduro, not a dirt bike. I don't have insanely powerful tires, and the suspension is super squishy. We're going to be testing to see if the DR650 can hold up against my dad's YZ125. My dad is also a 50-year-old man, so hopefully these young legs can keep up with him, you know? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Get that shit, Dad. Get that shit. It's nice to see you.
Oh, look how clean it looks.
I know, right? It's not going to look like this when we're done. God, she looks like a beaut. I'm excited to ride it.
Yeah, I bet.
Are you excited to ride mine? Hell yeah. Alright, and we're off. We got Dad with the YZ125 right in front of me. Oh boy, we got some undercover coppers. Hopefully we don't get pulled over here. Is he behind me? Nah, we're chilling. So, it's stinky, dude. Gosh. Highland has a bunch of dirt trails and motocross tracks, and I've been there one time before, also on the DR. That was way before I like dislocated my shoulder, but we're all good now. I'm excited to test and see how good this thing really is and see if my riding skills have increased. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, we made it to Highland. Let's go. I'm excited to go crazy, go stupid. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited.
Mom, we're here. We just parked right at the top.
That's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's a deer with good eyes. Here's the spot. Let's get this bitch unstrapped and ready to go. Ah. Nice, Dad. And there he goes. We are out and about. I'm so excited to see if this DR can absolutely perform. Wow. This is the first time I've been on the track. Holy shit. Oh, holy, holy, holy. I overshot the landing like a dream. Let me lock the fuck in. See?
You sound like a machine gun going around.
Really?
Oh, it echoes through this whole place.
Wow, it is so cool out here, and honestly the DR is doing so awesome. The torque on it is actually insane. MX-1, holy shit, could you imagine going over this thing? Wow. Oof! Oh my god! Shit! Like, I want to hit it so bad. Look at how satisfying that would be. You're fucking hauling dicks! God, these are humongous! Ooh! My nards! God, I almost just fucking ate my nards. Dude, it's so big! That's what she said. Woo! I was up there. I like that jump. Alright, new track. Let's see how this one is. Oh, fuck, dude. That was a Nutbuster 7000. Oh. want to keep it a stack. I don't think I'm going to be able to have kids anymore.
Oh, you hit your nuts?
Dude, yeah. I was like, oh, big jump, right? And I thought I knew the track, and I just went... like, ate it. Oh, dude. Holy shit, my nards. Alright, we're better now. We're going to be going around the... there's like a big trail around the whole entire park, and we're going to be going around it. I'm excited. This is probably one of my favorite parts. Let's go. Yeah, see? It's like a wide trail that's very bumpy. It's awesome. There's some jumps in here too. Some big berms to hit. It's actually really cool. Hell yeah. The DR is honestly doing a freaking sick job. For an enduro, this shit feels just like a dirt bike. And the torque is insane. It just like takes off of these little bumps and just wheelies over them. It's awesome. Ooh, that's some water. Oof, I'm wet now. Onto the track. Hell yeah. Whew. 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 There's sweat everywhere. It's a big hunky thing. Here he goes. Nice. Let's go, Dad. Awesome. Holy fuck me, bro. I'm so hot. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna see if we can get a fire ass picture. Really?
That was a good picture.
Freaking awesome. Hell yeah.
That's one way to do it.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing you were filming.
Well, hopefully your bike still works.
Yeah, me too. Oh, okay. Oh.
Nice. I give that an 8. You could have did it a little more spectacular.
All right, go again.
All right, go again.
All right, that woke me up. Little baby crash. All right, go big or go home. Am I right? There we go. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! I love my life. Look at this absolute beast of a bike, dude. I've done so much to it. Wow. Look at it. Absolute throat to goat this thing is. Let's look at the dust. We're gonna hit the trail one more time and we're out of here. Oh god, this is crazy. My god, that's a fucking workout. Dad? Is he okay? Where did Dad go? Is he okay? You okay? Are you okay? You sure? What happened?
It's just like he slowed down and I was rocking and I jammed on the brake and poof.
Yo, how's the body?
That's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you're okay? I didn't hear it. I would have no idea. I got all the way down to where we have to turn right and I looked back and you weren't there.
Oh, that hurts a little bit.
Oh, it's bruised already.
Yeah. Oh, that hurts. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I probably shouldn't have hit the front brake, but I saw those trees coming pretty quick.
You probably hit that jump right there and we're flying. Yeah, right here. Straight over the jump, over this. This is all front brake probably. Went boof, right there. No way, I can't believe Dad went down. I can't believe that. Call Mom.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm on the bike. Dad's behind me in the truck. I just wanted to call you. Dad was he was a little scared to tell you. He's just scared to. He knew you'd be upset.
Well, yeah. Of course I am. I fucking warned him about this shit when he wanted a dirt bike. I said you can't. What if something happens?
It's not horrible, Ma. He's okay. A little bit of scrapes and bruises on his arm, and he probably bruised a rib or something.
I hope he's okay, poor baby.
Yeah, I know, right? Alrighty, we'll be there in 19 minutes.
Okay, babe, love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. God, this bitch is dirty. Ew. Look at that. Let's go check on Dad. How you doing? You okay?
I feel a little sore right here. And I noticed let this be a lesson. Things happen, buddy. Motorcycles are not worth big accidents and losing your life. Are you recording me?
No. Love you, Dad.
Made it.
Well, act natural. Mom's here.
Oh, baby. I'll bust you up.
Oh, it was Tyler's fault. He pushed me.
Oh, yeah.